friends. Today, let's enjoy reading together. I can read. On the farm. This is a pig. A pig lives in the pigsty. Pigs eat vegetation, roots, fruits, eggs, flowers, leaves, and fish. This is a cow. A cow lives in the barn. They eat grass. This is a goat. A goat lives on the farm. Goats eat grass, leaves, and shrubs. This is a farmer. The farmer takes care of all the animals and crops on the farm. This is a tractor. The tractor helps the farmer plow the fields and carry heavy loads. This is a barn. Animals sleep in the barn at night. This is a horse. A horse lives in a stable or in the pasture. Horses eat grass, hay, and grains. This is a fish. Fish swim in the pond or river on the farm. This is a sheep. Sheep live in the pasture and eat grass. They give us wool. This is a rooster. A rooster crows early in the morning to wake everyone up. This is a chicken. Chickens live in the coop and lay eggs. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim in the pond and eat insects, plants, and small fish. This is a turkey. Turkeys live in the barnyard and have big, beautiful feathers. This is a dog. The dog helps the farmer by watching over the animals and keeping them safe. Great job, everyone! You learned about so many farm animals today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.